is, looks like an enormous complex. Oh, there's the Pioneer Village kind of to the right. Now, my understanding is you can jump on a Model T car there. You can jump on a locomotive over there. They have all kinds of stuff going on and transportation to get you around that complex. Wow. And we are going to the museum today. I don't know if we'll do the village. We've done a lot of Pioneer Villages type thing. And I don't know. We want to go to the Motown Museum. We want to do the, it's a Pequot Avenue museum. It's where the original, Ford factory was, and the first Model T was made. So we are quite excited here. Wow, look at that. Huge institution over there. Theaters, Henry Ford Academy. My goodness, what a complex.
I guess parking. There we go. Maybe it's in there.
Oh, wait. No.
There's the Welcome Center on the right.
Okay, let me turn around up here then. All right, so this is, we did get a senior discount, and but if you look up at the screen, there are several packages that you can get if you're a family to save money, and you can get packages to combine museum and Pioneer, or museum and village. Museum
tour.
and village, or museum and Rouge tour, or they allow you to do stuff, and then you can add on these films for $5. Lots of options, lots of family packages, BOGOs, all kinds of stuff. So, yep. Best from behind. And now I can say I've seen 2 Kaisers. This is the Traveler. I think the one we saw at the Moonshine Festival in North Georgia was a much better model. It was very clean, the one we saw there. You can go reference that video just by searching Easy Street with Jen Moonshine Festival. Hello, and here we are, Driven to Win, Racing in America, presented by General Motors.
Becomes a major issue for African Americans for a number of reasons. Not having the right to utilize that American right doesn't sit well with most people. The voting rights movement in Selma, Alabama had several major figures and organizations. I think the one that sits on everybody's mind first and foremost. And March is going to be solitary. They start March.
It's
Take as many photos 1 cubic meter for the price of room you would not have used anyways. It even comes with mood lighting. So this green color cools you down, and this orange color will warm you up. Very common reaction. You can stand there, don't worry. Welcome to your combined kitchen and laundry room. This side is literally just a ship galley. You can see we have our sink, stove, oven, and dishwasher on display. In the place of a traditional fridge, we have Mr. Polish fridge. Right here, we're about to
all right, so that's a little overview of the Ford Museum. I definitely recommend you coming here and enjoying yourself. It is massive. It rivals any museum I've been to in Chicago or New York. They also have some other innovative. They have like a regular museum type thing where they have furniture and millwork stuff, housing, furniture, that type of thing. So there's a big mix for everybody here. If you're not into cars, ladies, there's something for you guaranteed. Or men, you may not be into cars, but you like the houseware and other type of things. So definitely come here, check out the Ford Museum. It's definitely worth the price. Great deal. And even though it's summertime, it was very comfortable. It wasn't overcrowded. Bathrooms are very accessible. There was room in the restaurants. Everything is very nicely apportioned here. So come on out and take it easy. See you later. Bye.